Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I look forward to taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Evoque P300e R-Dynamic HSE. This petrol plug-in hybrid features a 1.5 petrol engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in Firenze red. Starting our journey from the front, we will see the premium LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights. Cascading down the side, you'll see further black contrasting features as we settle down on these 20-inch diamond-turned alloys with their gloss dark grey contrast. To the rear, you'll also see your rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents of passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as your rear LED tail lights. Owning the powered tailgate reveals a versatile amount of boot space, perfect for a canine companion or even a week's worth of shopping. Taking a closer look, you'll also be able to see your public charging cable. Rear passengers will certainly be impressed with the quality of their cloud ebony perforated Windsor leather seats. Glimpsing into the cockpit, you'll be greeted with your 14-way heated electric driver memory front seats, which will ensure comfort and quality on any length of journey alongside your Meridian surround sound system. And as we take a closer look at the view that greets the driver, you'll be greeted with your leather heated multifunctional steering wheel, courtesy of the extended leather upgrade. In front of you, you'll also see your part digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, your sat nav and your speed. Advancing over now to your 10-inch deployable Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear parking camera, which I'm sure will come in handy when navigating this vehicle. You'll also be able to access electric vehicle functions, such as your battery, your energy and your charging capacity. As we now advance down to your lower screen, you will also be able to access your climate control functions as well as heated seat functions, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. From within your entertainment screen, you'll also be able to access further vehicle dynamics and terrain response systems, as well as your hybrid and electric vehicle modes. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will enhance this vehicle's features in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Evoque, which is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, do not hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.